Hey everybody, Thomas Moore here, and you've probably heard me talk a lot about the financial marketplace. It has just been a huge, incredible tool for our partners to use, our clients to expand their businesses. We see that clients that take advantage of our financial marketplace actually see higher retention rates. They're increasing their annual revenue by about 30 to 45%, some more, some less. However, I wanted to do a step by step and kind of show you what it looks like client facing. I want to show you the portal from your perspective. I want to show you the process and just show you how simple and easy this is. Now, what I'm talking about now would be the financial marketplace that has been designed specifically for coaches, consultants, content creators, with a variety of other things related to the webinars, the speakers, consulting, and etc. But here, I want to show you. This is a client, Media Money Marketing Mentorship. They're a high ticket business coach and consulting firm, and this is their landing page that we design. And basically, it's a white label, private branded page. So, if you were to take advantage of this program, we would have your logo here, and this is kind of like a summary, a recap. This kind of just explains. It's like a one-liner that shows the clients could apply for financing. It encourages them to see how much they qualify for. Now, the best part about this is there is no impact on your credit score. So we use a soft credit pull system with algorithms, and we're able to show them highly competitive loans that they'd be eligible for. And our loans range from $1,000 to $50,000 at the moment. We are considering bringing this up to $100,000 as we have some high ticket coaches that have asked us if we could start providing a bit larger balances. So that's in discussion. However, they would just click this link. They will see that they will have loans up to 50,000. The rates are starting at a low 5.99%. These loans will range from 2 years to 5 years, so 24 months to 60 months. And the best part is there's zero prepayment penalties. So as you're coaching your clients and they're learning from you and they're making more money, they can simply pay this off without having to worry about a prepayment penalty. So when your client were to hit apply for financing, when they click this button on your landing page, they're going to be taken to this screen here. And this screen basically just captures a little bit of information from them. This should take less than 2 minutes, um, probably 30 seconds to be more realistic. But it just shows them, once again, this is up to $50,000. We have rates as low as 599. This offer is free. It will not impact your credit score. So it's just added reassurance for your clients, as this is the system that they're going to be interacting with. But I wanted to show you what it looks like when they use this. So they're able to add a co-applicant if they feel that they're a little credit challenged or they want a larger balance, and this may increase their chances of a higher balance. Then they would take advantage of a co-applicant. And once again, it reminds them that checking your loan offers won't affect your credit score. So that's a very big selling point, and that helps put their mind at ease when it comes to shop for these offers. And something I want to point out is that there's about 10 lenders in the marketplace, and they all compete to earn your client's business. So they're competing against one another to earn your client's business. So your client wins in regards to you're gonna see various rates, various terms, various loan amounts. It creates competition internally, so your client is going to be able to take the best offer, and these banks will see what the other banks offer. So you'll see a variety of various loan offers, or your client will. And like, just for example, this one, there's 47 various offers. Now, Joe qualified for up to $35,000. And just because he qualified for $35,000 doesn't mean he needs to take $35,000. He may not want to. So the offers start off low as far as the amounts, and then the APRs, the monthly payment, and the terms. You can see they vary from loan to loan. So this one had this with the same bank, but if you take it to 3 years rather than 4, you get a 7.2 rate versus an 8.93 rate. Still $1,000, but now your client pays $6 and some change, more, and they're saving a year worth of having to pay. So they'll be able to scroll through. They would hit see more details, and it would provide a much longer list, as there's 47 offers in this case. So When your client were to accept or select an offer, then the next step would be they're going to be directed to set up an account. And essentially, what that does is it provides them access to their portal so they can submit any documents that may be needed for underwriting. The best part is you don't have to be bothered or boggled or hassled or anything. You don't have to do anything. You just point them to your website. The underwriters will do the rest. Okay. So when they select an offer, Mark in this case, he took $9,000. It shows him the structure of his loan. It just creates a password. He moves on to the next step. And at which point the lenders may ask for some, verification, a few documents at which he could upload through his portal. And these loans fund within 48 to 72 hours. We find the average funding rate is around 48 hours. Now, for you, everything we've discussed so far has been client facing. Now, you're going to have actionable data in a very easy to use system here. This is your backend system at which you'll be able to see all your loan applications. You'll be able to see any client who applied for financing. You're going to see the amount that they were approved for. You're going to see where they're from. You're going to see what type of loan they were qualified for. And then you're going to see that this guy was approved because they received offers. Now, at this point, this may have been very quick. They haven't, as you can see, a lot of these came through right at 8 o'clock, a minute after 8. So this was probably right after a live webinar or whatever it may be. And they were all encouraged to go apply for financing. So in this moment, they had a variety of offers and clients that went into the system, and they were approved for a lot of money. Like now, this portal here must be for our construction because this goes up to $100,000. So depending on your profession, will kind of dictate your finance marketplace. Because with coaches, currently our limit's at $100,000. So just keep that in mind. In this example, this must have been from a general contractor. I pulled over the wrong portal. But nonetheless, it looks the same, but you'll never see an amount over $50,000 in your coaching one. It will go to $100,000 by the end of the year, I'm sure of it. But when you see funded, that means your client has followed through in the entire process. Now they have the money in their bank. So that's a good time to give them a call and close the deal, collect the money and close the deal. So in summary, you have a full-featured cloud-based loan platform with access to multiple lenders, financing $1,000 to $50,000. That's that forward-facing. You have your landing page and your hosted application has your logo, your phone number. Then they'll have access to the cloud-based platform, which shows the lenders and financing options. What we just saw was your reporting portal display, and that shows you all the offers and the loan statuses for all of your clients. And you'll have a full support team monitoring and assisting your clients and encourage them to get through the process to get funded so you could collect your money. There's no long-term contracts or commitments on your end. There's a nominal fee. There's a one-time setup fee of $495. And then your second month, they will start a $49.95 per month monthly maintenance fee. And that just takes care of the hosting, some of the marketing, some of the administrative work. Like I said, you have a full support team. So those just cover the fixed operational expenses that go along with providing you a full financial suite. We have over $10 billion to lend in just this industry. So just coaching, we have access, our partners have access to $10.1 billion. So this program has been a phenomenal growth tool. It's been a great way to bring in a larger audience, capture more funds, increase your revenue, increase your client satisfaction. It's a value add to any business. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 910-557-2217, or you could visit my website at www.zeuscc.com. And while you're on my website, you could go to the contact us form, enter your name and information. I'll be happy to give you a call back if you can't call me now. Or you could schedule a free consultation. We could hop on a Zoom call. We could go over anything you may have questions on. And in addition to the financial marketplace, I have so many other programs. Zeus Commercial Capital was actually voted as a top 10 service provider for project funding. So we also do business consulting. We help with content creation and web design. We help with content. You name it, we do it. But our specialty is business funding. So I look forward to working with you all. If you know of anybody who you think who would benefit from a program such as this, which is nearly everybody, please comment, tag them, share this video with them. And I also have an affiliate program. So if this is something that you would like to earn money by helping other business owners, I'd be happy to speak with you. So I look forward to talking to all of you. Have a great night, and I will see you on the other side.